Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make mango and chicken curry. So I'm going to show you guys some ingredients. We got lemon juice, we got cumin ground, we're using crushed ginger and crushed garlic. Oh, we got mango slices this time, coconut milk, our homemade curry powder, and we're just using sugar and that. So I'll pop that in. So Mum, let's get into it. We've got the chicken breast, so I'm going to cut it like that, right?
You will just cut it in half.
Yeah.
Bite-sized chunks.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to. Oops. So we've got the onion.
Yes. Oh, do you need a video there?
Yeah, I just did. I just paused it and then redone it from the chicken.
Cut up the onion.
He stinks. Fuck. Geez, someone, we weren't doing something. We were going shopping. I walked into somebody stinks.
Yeah. Farted.
No,
Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah. Really stunk, eh?
yeah,
Really stunk.
it was like someone's BO.
Yeah.
Fuck. I don't know why. It's like, whoa. It'll be that lady we went past.
Yeah.
Watch this. He will see you out there tomorrow. He probably wanted to come out. Huh? He'll just sit there watch you. Like he always does. record this putting me in the bowl. Right. Whoops! Making a mess.
Spoon, I put a silver spoon down over there. Teaspoon. So to put maybe 2 teaspoons.
So 1,
Yep.
2.
Okay.
Should I turn it on? Turn it on first, or?
On.
It's off.
Okay, that's oil in the 2 tablespoons. So, oh, fuck.
What? It's on.
Oh.
The chicken. Well, I'm getting going for my hands and teeth.
And the ginger.
I'm just going to mix up the onions together.
Okay.
Yeah. The
Ginger.
ginger. So, ginger. 2.
Yeah, might as well. Yep.
1. 2.
Okay. Yep. Give that all a stir.
No, I got it.
Yeah, just maybe add 1.
And this one?
Yeah, just 1 tablespoon. Yep. Have you got it now?
Yep.
Videoing?
Yep.
Okay. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder.
Okay. In the same bowl?
Yeah, but a teaspoon that one. Might take it off. 1 teaspoon. Do it over the bowl. Yeah, so you don't.
No, I want.
You have to eat the. No, yeah. Yep,
Oops.
enough. Okay. And half a teaspoon of ground cardamom.
So that.
No, half. No. No, that's a quarter. That's a half. Yeah, half a teaspoon of that. Okay, yeah, now put that, you can put that, or you've got to add the coconut milk.
So Mum's giving it a stir.
Okay. So add that. Okay, add the coconut milk. Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay. Add your coconut milk. And 1 teaspoon of sugar.
1.
Get the, oh yeah, 1 teaspoon. No, the orange one. Yep.
No, I just moved it because.
Okay. And stir that all up.
Spoon.
Okay, and just let it cook for a bit more. It smells nice. juice, drain the juice. Strain.
So drain the juice.
Strain the juice, yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Now, take out some, cut some up.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll hold up. Just gonna cut them.
Okay, some you got a puree,
Mm.
so you want to do that in the whiz.
Yeah.
Actually, it's getting
Too much? Yeah. Yep. Mm.
Okay, that's pureed.
So we're going to put the pureed. Mm-hmm.
Come over further. Okay, yeah.
Oops.
No, that's enough. Oh, it's sour.
Cut. Yeah, because I heard it crowing for 2 days.
Yeah, well, it's definitely going to be getting caught tonight. Oopsie daisy.
Yummy. I think this lot's the better one.
Yep. Yep.
Look. Thank you for watching my video how to make mango and chicken curry. I'll post the link down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.